The democratization of data. Well, we have data stored locally in an SQL server at the moment. It's a lot of test data, test result data. So one objective that I'm trying to push, and I'm actually making progress because we have a team, Philips being a global company, we have a team in the Netherlands that needed access to that data. So we're taking the data, first of all, from a local stored database into Azure. I'll just, in general terms, put it that way, which makes it even more available, right? So those global teams that are helping you to analyze the data can get to it a lot easier in Azure versus a local SQL server. Yes, for some of you that have a question, we can give them access to that local database. Azure is much easier because we have all of our other process data in Azure. So think about that. Where do you put the data? Making it available, but where do you also put it?